I got these two Lince padlocks from Adrian in Spain. And I have picked them both. The big one is a 50mm, model number 3/50, very nice logo. And this one does not contain any security pins, while this small one does. This is a 30mm Lince, and the keyway is not the same either, as you can see. And I thought we pick them on camera. Something like that, and shall we use I'll use a Euro hook. Alright, there we go. I also know we can rig this, but I'm not going to bother. That's the Lince 50mm. No security pins. Let's try the small one. Using the same pick. Okay. That's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3 set. 4 set. And 5. Gun rotation on 5, and we got it open. Very pleasant pick. So that's the Lince pair of padlocks from Spain. Adrian, thank you very much for letting me try the Lince padlocks, and I will ship them out to someone else. If anyone is interested in getting a package, just let me know in a comment below, and I'll see what I can do. Alright, we have some more vlogs to take care of, but for now, thank you for watching.